Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We're going to make the easiest fairy tiara today. It's simple, it's easy, and it's beautiful. Let's get started. Cut a length of galvanized wire. This is normal old hardware shop galvanized wire, 1.6 millimeter thick by 60 centimeters. Curl both of the ends and make sure that they match each other, and then I have hammered them a little bit on my anvil to make sure they're even. Curl both ends and tap them out just to make sure it's all neat and tidy. This is a very simple little pattern, but the magic is in the bending of the wires. So pay attention to how to bend these wires. They're not just straight and they're not just bent in half. There's actually a little trick to this. I'll show you now. This is the important bend. Holding in the middle, bend the wire upwards on both sides, not into the curve or against the curve, but actually upwards. And that gives that lovely little curve, which is so pretty and will curve over the forehead and look very queen-like, fairy-like, and elf-like. Adjust the wires, and now the fun part is to choose your pendant for the middle. You can thread on a bead as well if you want to, but these little pendants look really pretty. I've chosen one of these sparkly black, very fake stones, which I think will look very nice. I've spray painted the wire gold. You can spray your wire any color you like. Silver, iridescent blue would also look very pretty, or pink. Now fit your stone, open up the bail on that little pendant, close it over the wire, and squeeze it in quite tightly. There are so many options of what you can put on this tiara. Have fun, and thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. You are very special. Bye-bye.